Today I'm going to do a video how to change the rack and pinion boot. This side is not bad, but the other side is terrible. This rack and pinion boot is pretty much toast. The reason causing this is because of leaking rack and pinion. Basically, you have to cut the this tighter right here. Some they're using these screw, some they use like metal zip tie, so sometimes it's hard to take this out, and I probably just try to pry and cut it out. See, as I twist it and it just pop right off. Sometimes too tight, so just spray some W40 to make a loop a little bit. That will help to break easier. Very important, if you don't follow this instruction, you have to get the vehicle alignment. The most important is you mark, you see this mark right here? Okay, you can use something sharp to scrape this two to get marked. Okay, for example, this have paint on it, so that's my mark. So you back up, as soon as you lose this, then you back up the tie rod. So you count how many turn. See, this one turn, and then 2 turn, 3 turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, you have to remember the 18. If you tie it back, make sure you do 18 exactly. If you don't do it, it's okay. You just take the alignment and they will do it for you. But you want to save some money, you count it, so you don't have to pay to do alignment again. That's how it is. Sometimes your car may be like 10, 5, 7 turn, I don't know, but you have to count on your how many turn. So that to get the tie rods out, so you can put the new rack and pinion boot. This one's pretty good, but anyway, just change both sides. So I'm going to do changing this side right now. The boot comes with this two strap, but don't use it. Kind of useless to me. I did it one and this pop out and I had to do it again. It don't pop out right away, but it pop out maybe a couple months later. Alright, new one ready to put it back in. The tie for it, let's see, I have one hand only. I need to put this video camera right here, so hopefully it's good shot. Right there. Now I'm going to push the rack and pinion all the way to that side, so I need to turn the wheel. There. They supply a zip tie for that, but I'm not going to use zip tie because I know that I had problem with the zip tie before, and when you turn hard, the zip tie tend to pop out. So I'm going to use this metal tie. So what it is, just keep you pull hard on this, it will lock. So using this, to pull, and now it's locked and tight, and just cut that off, and then that will be done. How to tie it, and just cut this off so it won't have anything hang over. To reverse what I just did, put the nut back on, and the nut, it don't really matter. The nut, you can go all the way, up here, and you can bring it back. It's not a big deal. The big deal is the tie rod. Is that what keep the mark? If you do the mark wrong, then you have to do realignment. I'm gonna count it 18 again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what we have to do is just lock these back up. Okay. This one right here, I have a 19 millimeter open wrench, and also this side's 19 also. One hold this side, one turn the other, like that. So now you know how to do yourself on the rack and pinion boot.